The Morning Answer with Brian Whitman and Jennifer Horn. Jen is the conservative crusader. Brian is our lovable liberal. Welcome to The Answer.
Friday. Finally, a Friday on your Morning Answer. Jen's on vacation. Don Dix on the trumpet or the horn there, introducing the stage.
That song makes me want to play the saxophone.
It makes me want to end voter fraud in this nation and go to Larry Elder on the Morning Answer. At 7:50 on Friday, Sage, forgive my musical ignorance on instruments. That's a horn or that's a trumpet we hear right there?
That is a saxophone.
See, I was going to say that third is a Clinton supporter.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right. Before we get started, we have to greet Don with our normal greeting. Are you ready?
Yes, and go.
Wow. What just happened?
Well, you're not in the club. You're not in the club, pal.
I'm not in the club. Okay.
You're in the club. Either you're in.
Right. If you have to explain it to him, it doesn't work.
Sage,
Like
I
that.
agree. I agree, Sage.